This is just scary, scary. This poor girl. You guys have to be really careful. Not all topicals can be trusted. In fact, we have an entire website called HSA where basically they'll do updates on products that have been pulled because they had basically ingredients that were not disclosed and ingredients that can cause harm. So for this poor girl, like her feet are darker than when she started, and basically this pre-made lightening cream had a steroid in it. On the jar of this lightening cream, it said that it had vegetable oil, glycerin, hydroquinone 2%, alcohol, glycol, citric acid, salicylic acid, vitamin E. It said nothing about having this steroid in it. And so after a couple of weeks of using, this is basically what happened. She started the peeling phase, which there's a lot of these products where you will start to peel. That is a part of it. But there was just darkening. Like, she's literally darker than when she started because of this product. And so now she's basically in recovery mode. And I have to say, if this ever happens to you, don't be afraid to go visit a dermatologist. Like, even I have had to visit a dermatologist before just because I was scared about these little rashes that I had and I wasn't quite sure what it was. And they were able to fix something that I had been struggling with for months because I didn't know what it was. So it's like, don't be afraid. And a lot of the times, if you tell them that, maybe you don't have insurance, they'll give you like these little samples of the product that is going to heal you, so you don't have to pay like $600 or $400 for some of these bottles of ointments if something like this does happen to you. With her situation, you can tell that like she's just gonna have to have like several weeks of just moisturizing, a high strength vitamin C for after she's out of that phase, because like right now you just have to like kind of leave it alone for a couple of weeks, but after that going in with like a high percentage of vitamin C would help. But it needs to be like a good vitamin C. I used to think that I could use just any vitamin C from Amazon, but after I started learning how to make my own and I saw like the difference in just the before and after, and even versus me trying like really popular expensive brands of vitamin C, like there's a difference. So if you're trying to save money, definitely just make your own. I do have videos showing you how to make your own vitamin C serum on Patreon, along with lightening body washes and things like that. But if you didn't want to make your own and you're just lazy, then go ahead and like pick up like a Paula's Choice. I actually liked Paula's Choice. The one, it's like a C firma, what is it called? I don't know what it's called. It's C something, but it has ferulic acid, and it's actually better than the Drunken Elephant one, because I used to use the Drunken Elephant one all over my body. But yeah, if you just need something just like quick and you don't want to make your own, then just like buy that. Again, it's going to be more expensive than if you were to make your own, but I get it. Not everyone wants to make their own. The warning, even if you do make your own vitamin C, or if you buy a high-end one, just know that usually they do kind of I guess you lose their efficacy and aren't as strong after about 4 weeks of use or so. So don't think that you can just use it for months and months on end. Like, I've noticed that it just isn't as strong after a little bit of time, so you will have to either buy a new bottle or just make a new batch. Another thing, after she's out of the Moisturize, which the Renew lotion is one of the ones that I use, which is amazing. It is a little more expensive, but if you're trying to heal certain parts of your body, definitely use that. Use like a cold pressed coconut oil. You can find the really good ones on basically like the baking aisle of your Walmart or Publix or whatever you shop at. Definitely just like use like a pea size of that and then that Renew lotion, and oof, it will help you. But after she does that, and then after she starts like the vitamin C to help brighten up that area, to really get it back to where it was before, like she's gonna have to do a chemical peel. Hopefully she knows of good and brands that she can trust. I use the SHC glutathione yellow peeling oil one, but if you guys have a brand that you've used that you trust, definitely just let me know in the comments what it is, because I just know that there is a ton of different products out there. But it can get exciting, like to try this new thing that's gonna lighten you really, really fast. But a lot of the times, like that should be a giant red flag. This whole process, like you have to have patience or you're going to screw up your skin. you're going to like set yourself back and make this entire process way longer than it even has to be. Those of you who are like new to this, definitely check out my Patreon. Like I literally walk you through it and even help you in figuring out what is best for your skincare journey, because not everyone is the same. Not everyone has access to these same products, and some people might have access to even better products. So it's really something that you have to basically tailor to you. But I know that it can get kind of scary out here. If this ever has happened to you, let me know. How did you deal with it? How did you heal it? And more importantly, what product were you using that gave you these results? Because this is basically just a perfect example of hidden steroids in this poor girl's lightening cream. I am so excited. My 90-day accelerated skin lightening checklist planner is now ready. This is perfect if you're struggling to keep up your routine or if you don't know where to start. Basically, this is like day by day what I did to achieve my goals within 3 months. I tell you basically everything you need to know. All you have to do is like check off the box. So I should tell you like what to take in the morning, what to take in the evening. For different weeks, you guys will be doing like coffee enemas. There are certain times where you'll be doing just different exfoliation routines. I show you or tell you about what topical I mix together. It's really affordable. This isn't like something you're gonna have to like put hundreds of dollars into, but it'll get you started. And basically these are my results doing this exact routine from basically like 3 months, like 90 days. So if you guys are interested, there is a link in the description where you can get it. I'm just so excited for this. Like I worked so hard on it, and yeah, it tells you just step by step what to do every day. You just check it off. You don't have to really think about it. And yeah, it's going to really help you achieve your goals.